Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a beloved snack that's making waves in the frozen food aisle, the best Amy's Pizza Bites available on the market. Whether you're a fan of quick snacks or just looking to spice up your freezer stash, these pizza bites promise a delicious treat in every bite. Let's uncover what makes them stand out from the rest. Amy's Pizza Bites are more than just your average frozen snack. Packed with quality ingredients and crafted with care, these bites are perfect for any occasion. They come in convenient bite-sized portions, making them ideal for parties, snacks on the go, or even a quick lunch option. What sets Amy's Pizza Bites apart is their commitment to quality. Made with organic tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and a flavorful blend of herbs and spices, each bite bursts with authentic pizza flavor. Plus, they're free from GMOs and artificial preservatives, ensuring you're enjoying a snack you can feel good about. Cooking these pizza bites couldn't be easier. Simply pop them in the oven for a few minutes and voila! You'll have piping hot, crispy bites ready to enjoy. The cheese melts to perfection, and the crust crisps up just right, giving you that homemade pizza taste without the hassle. Wondering about the nutritional side? Each serving of Amy's Pizza Bites is a source of protein and contains essential nutrients. They're a satisfying option that won't leave you feeling guilty, whether you're enjoying them as a snack or a meal. These pizza bites aren't just delicious, they're versatile too. Pair them with a side salad for a quick lunch. Serve them as appetizers at your next gathering, or enjoy them solo for a satisfying snack. The possibilities are endless, and the taste is always exceptional. From their mouth-watering taste to their convenience and quality ingredients, Amy's Pizza Bites have earned their spot as a favorite in the freezer aisle. Whether you're stocking up for yourself or planning a gathering, these bites are sure to impress. Grab a box today and experience the best pizza bites available in the market. That wraps up today's review. If you've tried Amy's Pizza Bites, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of your favorite products. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.